my advocacy is to fight against colorism. Back in my elementary days, I was bullied and was a victim of provincial beauty standard. And as years goes by, I realized the power that I hold to effective communication. I realized the value of speaking up and taking up space so that I can defend myself and be the voice for others. And by standing my ground, I found my higher purpose not only to change perspective of beauty, but to change minds and empower others. Because if we look back in our rich heritage and past, our ancestors always carried these beautiful colors. Good evening. Lagi natin tatandaan, sa ganitong patimpala, may morena,